What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody's feeling safe and it's fine. Let's begin right away with this video. I'm gonna show you how I edit in Lightroom CC Sony RAW files to get nice skin tones, nice color rendition, all those things, all that good stuff with these two examples what we have right here. And of course, it will be a preset, but this preset will be available for free. It won't cost you any money. So if you are using Lightroom CC on your computer or on your tablet, on your phone, it doesn't matter, it will work on all those platforms. Alright, so let's begin right away. I've got here a very underexposed image and here a normal exposure picture of my wife. Her eyes are closed because there was a lot of wind and sand was coming in her eyes. Anyways, let's begin with this one. As you see, this is just a RAW file, so let's open up the presets. Here they are, the Sony RAW 1, Sony RAW 2, and Sony RAW 3 and 4. And as you see, the image will look like instantly, it will look very good. For my personal taste, I'm gonna choose this one, the Sony RAW 3, and it looks pretty good already, right? Maybe exposure just a little bit, ever so slightly, and the temperature just a little bit colder. The temperature is very lens dependent as well. If you shoot with Sony lenses, then the temperature is usually a little bit on the cooler side. Alright, then removing the chromatic aberration and enable lens corrections. That's it. That's all for if you are doing portraits or portraits. Skin tones are looking very good, very nice. And as you see, we were on a beach near sunset. Alright, let's go to the next image, and as you see, it looks very tilted, so let's correct that one first. I'm just gonna use the auto straighten function. Now it looks pretty good. Let's open up the presets tab again, and which one looks the best in this case? I think I'm gonna go with RAW 2. Alright, so usually with underexposed images you can just crank up the shadows, but in this case I'm gonna show you a little hack. Just use this one right here, the auto settings. You can also use Shift and A, or just press on that and boom, it will look like this. Looks very good already. Remove chromatic aberrations, enable lens corrections, and you're done. That's it. That's all, guys. Very easy, very fast. If you got a lot of RAW files, if you shoot in RAW, but you don't want to adjust each and every time, or maybe you already have some kind of RAW files or presets made for yourself, but these four right here are so easy and it's for free. If you want those presets, just subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below with your email address, and I will send it to you personally and you will receive those little presets, right? Alright, that's all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below if you want to have these presets, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Next videos will be about the Tamron 7180. It will be a review, and also a Sony 24-105 f4 lens review, and I'm very excited for what's coming next. So yeah, see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, good luck.